This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: firmware 1, 2, 0 or newer and battery above 50%. Next, pair your phone via Bluetooth in settings, select Jupiter 125 and complete the handshake. Once paired, open the instrument system menu and enable the voice assistant toggle. This authorizes access to microphone and notifications. Make sure permissions for contacts and media are granted on your phone. After that, test wake word detection using the short phrase to confirm the assistant responds. Before proceeding, now configure the assistant skills and input controls. You assign core functions like navigation, metronome, and media controls. Choose which commands the assistant will handle. Then map a physical button as push to talk or switch to continuous listen. This reduces false activations on stage. Adjust language, wake word sensitivity, and privacy options so only allowed apps access voice data. Once done, create a small set of custom commands that match your playing workflow and save them to the device profile for immediate testing. Finish by rehearsing a full live sequence. Wake the assistant, issue an action, and listen for confirmation. Use a mic check and a functional command like open metronome to verify latency and volume. If the assistant is unresponsive, reboot the Jupiter 125, repair Bluetooth, and inspect the mic for obstructions. Make sure your phone's voice permissions remain enabled. For persistent issues, log firmware and app versions and any accessories connected. This information speeds support and firmware fixes when you contact the manufacturer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.